everyone, it's Neil here, and welcome back to Escape Monster. And today we're at TRAMPA boards. I'm here with Danny, and he's going to kindly show us around. So, what components have we got in these trucks to actually be made up? What's
you've got your base plate.
Yep.
Here in bronze. You've got your two springs.
Excellent.
You've got your dampers inside the springs.
And the dampers, they've got some different hardnesses and strengths, haven't they?
Yeah, if you take a look over there.
Let's go and have a look over here a sec.
That starts off with the pink.
It looks more like a sweet kind of...
Sweetie shop.
Sweetie shop.
Starts off the softest and then works its way up to white being
the hardest.
Yeah.
And is there some measurement that they're measured? Do you know if they're...
That's in shore.
Sure.
Yeah, and now I believe it's 5 shore between the difference. I think that starts at 65.
Right.
Or 60. So that'll be a 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90.
Brilliant.
But I mean, all that data is on the site.
Yeah.
You can find all those actual stats on the
site. Brilliant. So if anyone's looking, remember to go and have a look at the website.
And then the alternative to that is barrels.
Right.
And they'll sit in there.
But they're not as adjustable, is that right?
No, that's correct. And they're not as adjustable. But some of the faster riders really enjoy them.
Just really like them, yeah.
They've got the stiffness for the speed.
Yeah.
But they've also got the flexibility to be able to get them turns in.
Right. So, and that's something reasonably easy to, if somebody's already riding on the springs.
That's correct, yeah.
Reasonably easy to swap out and
it's just a matter of taking out the two top adjusters.
Yep.
Turning the board over, taking out the two bottoms.
Right.
Slipping these out. Putting
those in. Put barrels in.
And then putting the barrel fasteners through the top and through the bottom. The barrel fasteners aren't adjustable.
Right.
They're hex head bolts.
So they're just the one setting they are, but the spring ones are...
Yeah, that's it.
Are adjustable.
M4 Torx Allen key. And that will wind itself down and compress that spring.
Right.
Basically taking out the slack and compressing the damper, giving it a harder feel.
Brilliant. So the springs, are they a standard? It's just the colour change.
Yeah,
there's no different in the actual. No shoring in the springs at all.
So then back to this.
Yeah.
After you've got your springs, your dampers, your adjusters, your fixers, you've also got spring retainers.
Oh right.
Top and bottom.
Oh right, to hold the spring.
That's
yeah,
now,
got you.
Let's have a look in here. This is the retainer for one of the barrel kits.
Oh right.
So that will slide in there. So you'll have metal on top and bottom.
Yep.
You'll have one in the top, one in the bottom, and they'll sit in there like alongside. You know, what I mean, exactly the same as that would. So after that, you've got your kingpin. Right. Yeah. Straight through the centre. Your kingpin bushes, which are these plastic caps. I'll show you.
Yep. Brilliant.
So you've got a selection of sizes. You've got 3mm right the way down to 1mm.
Right.
And as you can see.
Oh, they're small, yeah.
Yeah. Right up until the 3mm. Basically, what you're looking at doing is centering that hanger in the base plate. So you would use whichever to get it as close to the centre as possible. Job done.
Gotcha.
Then you put 2 3mm, one either side on the outside.
Yep. And
that's them. And then you've got the hanger spaces. So then your wheel will slide up against that.
And your bearings
will be in the wheel.
In the wheel. Yeah.
And then you've just got your 7/16 nut on the end.
Brilliant.
And that's what makes up a.
That's what makes a TRAMPA truck.
Yeah,
superb. And they look so good.
I better give this back to Sam.
Yeah, he'll be missing that.
No, I don't need it anyway.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Really interesting to find out about the TRAMPA trucks. I'd like to thank Ted for allowing me to film, and thank you very much to Danny for his brilliant explanation of the trucks and for him showing me around TRAMPA. If you like that, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.